Hello and welcome everyone. This is your friend Himal Dangal. Today I'm going to show you how to change the password of Wi-Fi in Prolink router. Okay. I'll show you just in a simple way to change the password of Wi-Fi network in Prolink router. First of all, you have to know the default username, password, in the gateway. I mean IP address of that router. You can find that those information behind the router. I mean in the back side of the router. So let us start. First of all, open your default browser. Make sure that you are connected to the network. Okay, I should connect to the network right here. It is here. I'll connect to it. Okay, first of all, connection is required. Okay, let me connect to this network at first, then I will continue. Okay, anyways, I'm connected now, I think. Okay, now let me connect. Okay, now I am connected successfully. You can see here. Okay, let me start. Let me open browser at first, and let's go to its gateway. IP address. You can find that IP address behind your router, just backside of it. Okay, in my case it is 192.168.1.1. Okay, sorry, mistake here. 192.168.1.1. Okay, now this is, and automatically it will be upon right here, and you can find a option called a quick start. Just go through it, and you have to add that password and username. You can find your default password and username just behind your router, so add this here. I have already added, so you can just find this password and username behind your router, so don't worry about it and just hit enter. Okay, you have to wait for some minutes. Okay, now it is loaded. It will take a little bit time here. You can see. Just wait. It will take up to 1 to 2 minutes, so you should have patience until that. Okay, now it is loaded here. You can see it is successfully loaded after I insert the password, username and password, and you can find this username and password behind the router. So just go here, clear this one, and enter SSID, whatever you call. Okay, like this, whatever you call, you just enter your SSID, name of the network, and enter your password, whatever you like. Okay, I have just added some. Okay, otherwise I can clear this password and I can add whatever I like. Okay, this is my password, and let me make it WPA2 channel auto, and for now I'm not setting it, so I'm just showing how to change this passwords, and after that just hit enter. Sorry. Okay, hit enter. It will take 1 to 2 minutes, so don't worry. If while going to this IP address, the username and password is asked, then you can just insert this one, admin, and whatever it is given in your router, backside of the router. Now I am successfully disconnected from this network, and now I can see a change here. Okay, just let me close the Wi-Fi and let me open again. Now I can find hacker 26 I've just made. Okay, and let me connect to the network. Okay, now I'm connected, I think. Okay, I'm connected to it. I can see here identifying it says after a while I'll be connected. Okay, now I'm connected here. So thank you for watching. I'll make some video again and again if you subscribe and like my channel. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Jai Nepal.